Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Natasha Amira binti Majri, and today I will be talking about the FEDEX Express introduction, industry and the company overview. Firstly, the logistics industry is growing rapidly due to the globalization and increasing international trades. At the same time, supply chain technologies are evolving, which is it forces logistic companies to continuously improve their distribution framework in order to remain competitive. Among the major logistic companies, FedEx Express stand out as a leading global express transportation companies. It operates more than 220 countries and offers time-definite delivery services for both domestic and international shipments. FedEx Express was established in 1971 by Frederick Wisnes in the United States, but in Malaysia, FedEx Express has been operating for a decade and played an important role for supporting international trade and growth e-commerce. Next, we were talking about the operational and study focus. In terms of operation, FedEx Express is supported by comprehensive global air and ground networks. These operations are enhanced by digital technologies that improve the shipment visibility, scheduling management, and delivery efficiency. Marketing and distribution channels are fundamental part of logistics strategies. They will represent the network of organizations and activities that allow the good flow from the part of origin to the final consumer through the integrated infrastructures, technology platform, and the partnerships. Therefore, this study aims to evaluate to FedEx Express existing marketing channels and distribution frameworks, and to propose recommendation for the future improvement in response to changing market demands and technology trends.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Intan Suraya binti Manan. For this section, I will explain the analysis of marketing and distribution channels used by FedEx Express. 2.1 is channel structure. FedEx Express primarily operate a direct distribution channel where services are delivered directly from the company to customer. Customers can book shipment through the FedEx website or by contacting customer service. This allows FedEx to maintain full control over shipment handling, delivery schedules, and service quality. At the same time, FedEx also applies a hybrid model by working with selected partners such as authorized agent and e-commerce partners to expand its market reach. Next, 2.2, regarding channel design and intermediaries, FedEx Express use a vertical channel structure where most logistic activities such as transposition, warehousing, sorting, and final delivery are managed in-house. This reduces reliance on external parties and ensures consistent service quality. FedEx also collaboration with selected intermediaries like custom brokers and retail partners, supported by long-term relationship with corporate customers. 2.3, justification of the channel structure. The chosen channel structure is highly suitable for time-sensitive express delivery service where speed and reliability are crucial. Using direct and vertically integrated channels allow FedEx Express to maintain strong control over delivery performance and service quality. The hybrid combination of online and offline channels improve customer convenience and support global operations. Furthermore, the limited use of intermediaries helps the company expand its global reach without compromising service standards. I will now hand over to my teammate to continue with next section.
Hi everyone, my name is Gan Hui Lin. Now I will explain the framework developed to describe how FedEx Express Malaysia manage its marketing channels and distribution system. This framework is based on FedEx actual operations and shows how shipments move from the customer stage all the way to the final delivery. This framework is designed to give a clear picture of how FedEx Malaysia operates in practice. It is structured into 4 sequential layers, with each layer representing a key stage in the delivery process. The framework starts from the initial customer interaction and continues through global transportation, regional distribution, and digital technology support. By organizing the system into layers, it becomes easier to understand how FedEx integrates its marketing channels, logistics infrastructure, and technology into one seamless operation. This diagram shows the overall structure of the framework. It consists of 4 layers, starting from the international gateway and global network, followed by the regional hub system in Malaysia, the multi-channel distribution network, and finally, the digital technology infrastructure that supports all physical operations. The framework begins with the international gateway and global network, which forms the foundation of FedEx Malaysia distribution system. FedEx Malaysia is connected to major global hubs, particularly the Asia-Pacific hub in Guangzhou, China, and the super hub in Memphis in the United States. This hub and spoke structure allows shipments from different locations to be consolidated, reducing transportation costs while maintaining fast delivery speeds. Direct connections from Kuala Lumpur and Penang to Guangzhou also provide later pickup cut-off times, offering greater flexibility for international shipments. The second layer focuses on the regional hub system within Malaysia. FedEx operates 2 main hubs located in Kuala Lumpur and Penang, supported by stations nationwide. These hubs handle essential functions such as automated sorting, security screening, and customs clearance. The integration between FedEx and TNT operations allows shared use of couriers and infrastructure, improving efficiency. This dual hub structure is particularly suitable for Malaysia's long peninsular geography, enabling faster delivery times and reliable service coverage, especially for industries like electronics and pharmaceuticals that require secret and temperature control logistics. The third layer is the multi-channel distribution network, which explains how FedEx reaches different customer segments. FedEx uses direct channels such as FedEx Ship Centers and direct business accounts to serve corporate customers, while partnership with Metrate support Malaysian small and medium enterprise through export assistance and preferential shipping rates. Indirect channels focus on convenience and accessibility, including parcel hub, franchise outlets, and integrations with major e-commerce platforms such as Shopee, Lazada, Spotify, and Amazon. This multi-channel approach allows FedEx to expand its market reach while maintaining service quality and operational efficiency. The final layer consists of digital technology infrastructure that supports and connects all physical operations. Technologies such as Sense-Aware ID enable real-time shipment tracking and condition monitoring, which is crucial for sensitive shipments like pharmaceuticals. FedEx Surround uses artificial intelligence AI to analyze operational data, predict disruptions, and trigger proactive responses. Customer-facing digital platforms, including FedEx Ship Manager and mobile applications, allow businesses to manage shipments and integrate tracking into their own system. Together, this digital layer enhances visibility, reliability, and overall service performance across the entire FedEx Malaysia network. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Si Heng. Now I will explain the framework, integration, and effectiveness for FEDEX Express Malaysia. First, this framework shows a strong connection between marketing channels, distribution system, and supporting technologies. Second, the global network and regional hubs are linked closely and operate as one unified system. One important feature is the hub and spoke system. Third, FEDEX use a multi-channel distribution approach. Customers can access services through direct business accounts, service centers, authorized agents, and e-commerce platforms. Besides that, the support of digital technology. The use of real-time tracking and data sharing can increase transparency among all channel members. Overall, this framework is effective because it successfully balanced speed, control, and flexibility, allowing FEDEX Express Malaysia to deliver reliable and high-quality services. Now I will explain how this framework is linked to the real business operation of FEDEX Express Malaysia. First, customers place orders through the FEDEX website, mobile application, or corporate accounts. The information is directly connected to FEDEX internal information system. This system automatically triggers shipping, routing, and transportation decisions. In addition, FEDEX applies a multi-channel market approach in Malaysia. Customers can access services through service centers, authorized agents, and e-commerce platforms. This reflects the real operational strategy of FEDEX in serving different customer groups, including businesses and online sellers. Overall, to integrating marketing channels and logistic operations into one system, FEDEX ensure that customer demand is matched with fast and reliable service execution.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nizal bin Muhammad Syaiful. Here, I want to present about evaluating the efficiency of FEDEX Express. Our analysis show the FEDEX remain a global leader by balancing speed with a best integrated network. First, let's look at the delivery efficiency. FEDEX use a centralized hub and spoke system pioneer right at their Memphis super hub. By routing shipment through central point, they maximize sorting speed and maintain a dedicated fleet over 700 aircraft to meet tight e-commerce deadline. Next, the cost efficiency. FEDEX leverages massive economy of scale and automated sorting to lower per unit cost. While fuel and labor stay high, they offset this through optimization technology. In terms of accessibility, they use a multi-channel approach from mobile apps to authorized agents in Malaysia, ensure that everyone from global corporation to local SMEs can easily access their network. Moving to customer satisfaction, transparency is the key driver. Real-time tracking and guarantee delivery window reduce customer uncertainty and build long-term trust. Finally, the backbone of this efficiency is technology integration. By using AI and data analytics for route planning, FEDEX doesn't just move faster, they optimize the entire supply chain. In summary, while operation costs are a challenge, FEDEX focus on digital innovation and customer reach ensure they maintain a superior competitive advantage in the logistic market. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Muhammad Sohail. I will talk about 5.0, that is improved frameworks. Building on the framework presented in 3.0, this slide highlight the proposed improvement for FEDEX Express Malaysia. First, hybrid and omnichannel integration links online platform with physical service centers to create a smoother customer experience. Second, strategic intermediary expansion through e-commerce platform and SME partner allows FEDEX to increase market coverage without significantly increasing operational costs. Third, digitalization and technology enablement such as system integration and road optimization improve delivery accuracy, speed, and transparency. Finally, enhance last mile delivery efficiency through flexible delivery option and localized distribution improve service reliability. As a result of this improvement, several key outcomes can be achieved. First, delivery speed and reliability are improved through better coordination across channel and hub. Second, operational costs are reduced by minimizing inefficiencies and improving resource utilization. Third, customer satisfaction increases due to greater convenience, visibility, and service quality. Finally, FEDEX gains stronger market reach, particularly among SMEs and e-commerce customers, while fully utilizing its existing network. That's all, thank you.
Overall, FEDEX Express Malaysia is performing well, but the company facing several challenges such as increasing operational, fuel costs, growth rate of e-commerce, and strong competition of the global companies such as DHL and UPS. At the same time, customers today expect a faster, more flexible, and more reliable delivery services. To overcome this challenge, an improved marketing and distribution framework is proposed. This framework focusing on integrating FEDEX physical services center with digital platform and strategic partners, especially for e-commerce platform and SMEs. So, in a nutshell, this improved framework helps FEDEX Express Malaysia to remain competitive, efficiency, and ready for the future growth in the Malaysian logistic market.